Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak and chicken at home. First, select a quality steak cut, such as a ribeye or sirloin, ideally 1.5 inches thick. Season it generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper right before cooking. Ensure your cast iron skillet is screaming hot to achieve that beautiful, flavorful crust. This initial sear is crucial for locking in juices. After searing, transfer your steak to a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit to finish cooking, or continue on the stovetop at lower heat. For medium rare, aim for an internal temperature of 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Always use a reliable meat thermometer. Once cooked, let your steak rest on a cutting board for 5 to 10 minutes. This step is vital for a tender, juicy result. Now, let's talk about making delicious chicken at home. Opt for bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs or breasts for the most flavorful and moist outcome. It's essential to pat the chicken pieces completely dry with paper towels before seasoning. This simple step helps achieve incredibly crispy skin. Roast your chicken in a hot oven, around 400 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 40 to 50 minutes. Always ensure your chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit for food safety. You can enhance the flavor by adding aromatics such as fresh garlic cloves, sprigs of rosemary, or lemon slices to the pan during roasting. Just like steak, allowing your chicken to rest for about 5 minutes after cooking helps the juices redistribute, ensuring every bite is tender and delicious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.